Hi, I'm Vamsi Krishna, a 2021 ECE graduate. After my graduation, I was thinking of making a career transition into data science domain, and I don't know where to start. And I got to know about GUVI from one of my seniors who got placed as a machine learning engineer through GUVI. So I decided to take up the pre-bootcamp session, which is of 12 days. And after the bootcamp session, I really like the way coordinators are coordinating with the students, and the way mentors are teaching, the way mentors are clarifying the doubts from very basic level. Thanks to them, I recently got placed as a data scientist in GoFrugal Technologies Private Limited. For making my dream a reality, I'd like to thank my mentors for sharing their knowledge and teaching every little thing from very basics. And I'd like to thank my coordinators for sharing the resources on time and clearing all my queries. And finally, I'd like to thank my placement coordinators and placement team for helping me to develop my profile and helping me how to prepare for the interviews and helping me cracking the data science interview. If you are a person who is interested in data science and who's passionate about making a career transition into data science, I really suggest GUVI, a very nice platform to make it happen.